Sirizani Butau has been honored by the president, ED Mnangagwa. One of the things that people have applauded from all political divides, they have said this was an honorable thing to do. And you remember Sirizani Butau, who saved people from a bus when a tanker exploded in Mutare Road, close to Mutare, some 2 years back. Now, some of you might be wondering why I got this cape. This picture will tell you why I'm wearing this cape. Some they call it Chabangu hat, but no, this is not a Chabangu hat. This is just a Kango cap. And this is my late father, and these were his last weeks before he passed away in 1996. I never got to meet my father, so this is a way of me remembering him. And from henceforth, you're gonna be seeing more of this. Yeah, saka wese anozongotaura kuti chabangu head ndichakublock, because this is in remembrance of my father. But anyway, this was one of a notable thing that President ED Mnangagwa did, and everyone really applauded it.